Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 3D printers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Creality K1. Specifications. Brand name, Creality 3D. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.35 mm. Printing speed, 600 mm per second. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Power supply, 350 watts. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. File format, STL, OBJ, AMF. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 600 mm per second. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 4, FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. Specifications. Brand name, FlashForge. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Printing speed, 200 to 300 mm per second. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Power supply, 350 watts. Maximum printing speed, 300 mm per second. Diameter temp, 280. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. File format, 3MF, STL, OBJ, FPP, BMP, PNG, JPG, JPEG file. Nozzle diameter, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 200 to 300 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 3, Creality Ender 3V3SE. Specifications. Brand name, Pallet. Slice thickness, plus 0.1 mm. Printing speed, 180 mm per second. Power supply, 24 volts. Maximum printing speed, 250 mm per second. Operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. File format, STL, OBJ, 3MF, AMF. Maximum print size, 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 180 mm per second. Precision, 0.1 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 2, Sovel SV08 Core XY. Specifications. Brand name, Sovel. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Printing speed, 300 mm per second. Power supply, 100 to 240 volts AC. Maximum printing speed, 700 mm per second. Maximum working speed, 700 mm per second. Operating system, Mac OS, Windows. Diameter temp, 300 degrees Celsius. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. File format, G-code. Filament, PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, ASA, PA, PC. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 300 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 1, FlashForge AD5X. Specifications. Brand name, FlashForge. Slice thickness, 0.05 mm to 0.4 mm. Printing speed, 200 mm per second. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Maximum printing speed, 300 mm per second. Maximum working speed, 600 mm per second. Operating system, Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, Linux. Diameter temp, 300 degrees Celsius. File format, 3MF, STL, OBJ, FPP, BMP, PNG, JPG, JPEG file. Filament, PLA, PETG, TPU, PLACF, PETGCF. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 300 mm per second. Flash forge model, AD5X. Precision, 0.1 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.